Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Tomorrow, on the 9th, we all are meeting in Khanapur. We will be having a meeting at Lokmanya Hall at Khanapur at 10:30 in the morning. All the citizens from Khanapur and Belgaum will come together to make a resolve that we will protest the construction of these dams in eco-sensitive region 1. The government is proceeding with this kind of a preemptive action without having any forest or statutory clearances of environment and of other nature to the Bhandura, Kalsa and Haltara project. We strongly oppose this move and we will make our resolve tomorrow.
खानापूर तालुक्यातल्या करंबळ हांगासरल्या 16 शेतकऱ्यांच्यो ज्यो जमिनी आसात, सुपीक जमिनी आसात, त्यो जमीन संपादित करपाची प्रक्रिया आसा ती चालू केल्ली आसात. तेज्या विरोधात आता खानापूर तालुक्यातले शेतकरी आणि पर्यावरण प्रेमी आसा ते एकवटले आसात आणि तेंच्यांनी फाल्यां 9 एप्रिलाक खानापूर हांगासर बैठक दवरलेली आसा.